friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Holly. Welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you a Walmart grocery haul, and this was a pickup. And some things I got were substituted, some things were not even in my grocery haul. So I'll tell you about that in the end. But the first thing I got here was some Ezekiel bread, and I like this flourless. It's a sprouted grain bread, and this is really good. Toasted. Also some Southern style biscuits, the Grands, and I like these because you can take these out of the bag as you need it. You do not, it's not like the can, you have to make everything at one time. This is just as you need it. You can take it out of the bag and bake it, and they're really good. Some Community Coffee. This is the breakfast blend, and it's a big bag of coffee. Some Hormel chili, no beans, Coffee Mate creamer, and 4 cans of Contadina tomato sauce. Also, my Lipton Diet Green Tea Mixed Berry, as I've said before, and I got 2 of those. Where I live, I cannot get this except at Walmart. So usually when I make my trip to Walmart, that's when I get these. Otherwise, it's just the Diet Green Tea, plain. So, but this one is my favorite one. Some Bounty napkins, Bounty Quicker Picker Upper paper towels. I have 2 Aquafina 32 bottles of water. Got 2 of those. Some Tuna Creations, the hickory smoked. My husband likes these with some crackers. Some Jell-O strawberry cheesecake. I got the cherry and the strawberry one. Also, instant grits, the butter flavored, and that's a really good value. You get 22 packs in that. Some fruit and grain. This was a substitution. I had X for, it was something similar to this, which was an overnight oats bar, which was, I think, an apple flavored one. That doesn't really compare to what it was, but this was their substitution, so I just went ahead and took that. Some Smart Oat bars, and I got 2 packs. This one is the cookie dough, and this one is the peanut butter cup one. And my husband usually takes these. They're a little bit better as far as nutrition. It's only 4 grams of sugar, so not too bad. I think it shows you there, 4 grams of sugar. It's got prebiotic fiber and 10 grams of protein, which is pretty good. So these are just a little bit better than some of the other breakfast type bars and things that they have. Also, some walnuts. This was substituted. I ordered the large bag of this. I think it might have been 16 ounces. I believe. Yeah, because this is 8 ounces. So they gave me 2 of those for the same price, which was fine. That was okay. Some sliced almonds. And I've already used this. It was chopped pecans. This is being filmed a day after that I picked this up at Walmart, and I needed that for a recipe, so I've already used it, but picked up some chopped pecans. Also, my peppermint mocha Coffee Mate, and I love that at this time of the year, or any time really, but especially getting close to Christmas. And half and half. And they substituted, I had the large container of whipping cream, so they just gave me 2 of those, and that was fine as well. I don't mind that. Some Cafe Mocha Coffee Mate, and I got 2 of these because they're small, and I tend to run out of this pretty quickly because I drink coffee sometimes twice a day, so it just goes fast. Some Mighties. These are kiwis, and I was a little disappointed in this. I already had to throw 4 of these away because they were bad, molded, and these were the only ones that were good, so I really hate that. That's why I like to go in and shop for myself, because I just felt like they were noticeable, and they still gave it to me anyway, so it's just one of those things. I like to shop for myself when I can, but I was in a hurry this day. Some butter, and they substituted 2 of these instead of just the 2-pack, and it's the same price, so that was fine. 2 bell peppers, some celery, and disinfecting wipes, Clorox. that I think was okay with the price. That was not a substitution. The Gain Fireworks, the Moonlight Breeze, I love those in my laundry. Some Gain Flings, the detergent, and that should be the same. Oops. Yeah, Moonlight Breeze. I try to get the same scent. Also, the softener, fabric softener, which is the same thing, Moonlight Breeze. Some tape, which I found that their tape went up a lot, and I buy their, you know, this one, it's almost $2. Gum Detoxify, this is Crest, this is really good, that's a 2-pack. Some Equate Headache Relief, which is basically like Excedrin. Some deodorant from my husband, and I always buy the 2-pack because I find you get a better deal. So the Old Spice and Edge, his shaving cream. Usually when I buy it in a twin pack, I find that it's a lot cheaper. Q-tips, some hand soap, and some bath soap. Also, let's see, I found this little snowman, this little blow-up snowman, and it's 4 feet, so I thought that was a decent, it was $16.88. So I thought that was a pretty decent price for that, and it lights up, and it's supposed to inflate on its own. So we shall see how that works. Now, we do live in a rural area. We live in the country. We're in the woods. So nobody's going to see that, but we have a grandson this year that's going to be here. He'll only be a few months old, but we still I want to decorate outside for him. And I still put a wreath and things like that, but I've never gone the long mile to do this, you know, since nobody sees it. But like I told my husband, well, we see it, so when we come home from work and things like that. Also, so that's going to be fun to do. Some 7-Up, and I got 3 cases, well, 3 packs of those, and that's just the 12 cans. The 7-Up Zero sugar. Some Mountain Dew, and some aluminum foil. That was a substitution. I put in for 75 square feet, and they gave me 150 for the same price. So that was a really good deal. I was okay with that one. Really good. Some TP and some cat litter. And let's see, anything. Okay, ground beef. Some hot dogs. I got 2 packs of those, and I already had this in the freezer. These I need to put in the freezer and separate it and freeze it. Some chicken breast. This was $13.73, and these were the boneless, skinless chicken thighs for $12.96. Also, some smoked sausage. And this is cheaper if you buy it in this big pack than if you buy it separately, because you get about half of a pack more, I believe. The way I looked at it, it was just cheaper to buy this than it was to buy 3 packs of it. And let's see, I have these Jimmy Dean Delights, the turkey sausage, and this I already packed up when I got home. I just put them in a baggie, so that way in a freezer bag, and it takes a little bit less room up than the box, just a little bit, but it's just a little easier to fit in there. So this was a sausage and egg cheese croissant sandwich. This one was the bacon and egg cheese biscuit sandwich. So sometimes I take things out of the box. This I didn't bother because it's pretty much it's not too much, although I could take it out, but I just left this one in here because I had room. And I just realized when I was putting things back in the refrigerator, I had some extra large eggs that I bought, the Eggland's Best, and some cinnamon rolls. I have 1 pack of the cinnamon rolls and 2 packs of the orange rolls, and these are really good. So if you like something quick in the morning, these are great. And also had 3 packs of gumbo. This is the Louisiana brand. It's a Cajun gumbo base. You just add your stuff to it. So this is like the roux, and 1 thing of Kraft mayo with the olive oil. So with the order, like the substitution, that substitutions I got weren't bad. What was bad is I got home and found out I didn't have several things. I had bought some scrubbing bubbles, like a 2-pack of scrubbing bubbles, a Clorox, it's the Clorox disinfecting that you put in your wash when you wash your clothes. It was that, a box of 18 packs of Swiffers, and I know there was one other thing, and I just can't remember what it was off the top of my head. But that was $30-something worth of things I did not get. So I called Walmart. They said I had to call the headquarters because they're not allowed to deal with refunds anymore. So when I called them, I just explained to them I did not receive those things at all. And I'm assuming if they weren't scanned and not put, anywhere, then that's not, I didn't get them. So that's one of the frustrating things about doing a pickup order. Sometimes you get substitutions. You can approve them or not. If you don't want it, you don't have to take it. But when you actually order something, and I live about 25 minutes or so away from Walmart, so it's not like something I can just go back and go and get right away. That's almost an hour time, for driving both to and from. So I just decided, I called the headquarters, they gave me a refund, and I just have to order everything else, either online or pick it up at the store as in my local area if I can. But like I said, sometimes pickup order, it's convenient, but yes, it is. But sometimes it can be very frustrating. Just when you get home and you find that you don't have at least $30 worth of stuff. And I know that's happened to other people as well. But they fixed it, that worked out. But it's things I needed for the next day. So it's just kind of a, I'm ranting, but that was just frustrating. So just know when you go to do a pickup order, you may or may not get the things that you ordered. It might be good to check everything before, like after they put it in your vehicle, just to see real quickly if everything's there. And if you don't want the substitutions, you don't need to take them. You can refuse that. But like I said, just be aware of when you get your groceries, that everything's there before you leave the store, especially if you live further away from it like we do. And that's going to be it for this grocery haul. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I do show cooking on my channel, so if you like cooking videos, things like that, I hope that you decide to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. Thank y'all so much for watching, and everyone have a blessed day. God bless y'all.